to top 5 Android apps for May 2020. So the first app on the list is called Mars in HD Gyro 3D Live Wallpaper application. And as you can see that every time when you will unlock your phone, it will give you this kind of a very cool animation, which is really very pleasing to watch. Apart from that, if you will go into settings, you can play around with bunch of options. Like first of all, you can change the amount of light in the background or in the galaxy. Then you can change the brightness, saturation and contrast. And of course, you can also change the direction of sun from where you want the light to fall on Mars. There is also a setting to control the amount of parallax effect. We suggest you to keep that to a minimum. And you will be surprised to know that this app was released way back in 2015. And when I installed this app in my phone, I got a warning that this app is old, but surprisingly it is working very well even on the latest version of Android. And the app is really very functional and the effects are really very pleasing to watch. Do try this in your phone. The next app on the list is called Who Touched My Phone. So first of all, install the application, grant all permissions and turn it on. Now, for example, let's say that during your absence, someone came in and he tries to unlock your phone and takes a couple of attempts to type in the pattern or the password. He was not able to unlock the phone, so he turns off the phone and leaves it as it is. Now let's say after some time you came in, you enter the pattern or the password, you unlocked your phone and you open the WTMP application. When you will open the app, you first of all have to ignore the first line, just go in the second line, and here it already shows some kind of a red mark on the pattern, which means that someone has tried to unlock your phone but he was not able to do that. And when you will tap that line, it will show the picture of the the picture of the person who was trying to unlock your phone. Now there can be a second case when someone in your family or your friends already know your PIN or the password, or you can say some way or the other he was able to unlock your phone. And after unlocking your phone, he opened the phone app, he opened WhatsApp, he checked your Messenger, Google Chrome, and he checked your emails as well. After doing all that, he turns off the phone and leaves it as it is, as if something has never happened. And after some time you came in, you unlocked your phone and you straight away go into the WTMP application. So as usual, you first of all have to ignore the first line, and as you will tap the second line, it will show the photo of the person who was scribbling in your phone, and then you have all those applications that he has opened along with the Nova launcher, which is the default launcher. I hope you got the idea of how this application works. Do give it a try. So the next app on the list is called Boosted, and it's an application through which you can keep a track of amount of time you are spending in completing different kind of activity. So let's say you wake up in the morning and the first thing that you do is to prepare your breakfast. So you can start a project named cooking, and after that, when you start preparing your breakfast, just turn on the timer, and after you have completed preparing your breakfast, just close the timer. After cooking and having my breakfast, I decided to go for jogging. So I'll create a new project for jogging. I'll start a timer once I begin to work out and close the timer after I have finished the workout. After that, I came back home again and I want to have some food. So I'll go in the cooking project once again. I'll start a new timer once again. The old timer is already there. So I'll start the new timer and then I'll turn off the timer once I have completed cooking. So in this way, I'll keep a track of what is the amount of time that I'm spending, especially on cooking in a single day. And I believe this is a kind of application that will be benefiting a lot of people who are working on a long-term project. So in this way, you can keep a track of what is the amount of time that you are already taking on different kind of projects. Apart from that, you can create subtasks within a single project. Like for example, if I create a project named workout, so I can split that into jogging, skipping, push-ups, sit-ups, these kind of activities. So I hope you got the idea of how this application works. Do give it a try. The next app on the list is called Pixel Flow, and it's an application through which you can create a lot of video intros and outros for your YouTube channel or any kind of video editing that you're doing mainly on mobile. So you have been given these kind of free templates, and it does not even look that these kind of templates can be designed on mobile. So these are kind of like Adobe Premiere Pro templates, and these templates can be customized in a lot of way. Like first of all, you can add your text, you can reposition these templates, you can even set the background, you can change different kind of colors, you can put gradients, solid gradients, and a lot of other things that you can think of. Once you have finished editing your template, you can export the file in 1080p resolution, which is quite good. And the one that I'm showing you is the older version of the app. This is kind of a version 1 point something, but it is a fully cracked version. You will not get any kind of watermark. It's fully functional. So it's good that you download this particular APK from the description. If you're interested in getting the latest APK, then you have to get that from Play Store. And finally, you have to pay a certain amount to unlock all these templates. Give it a try. During this lockdown, I see that a lot of people are at home and they are trying different kind of food recipes. So I thought, why not to include an app that is related to food? So this last application on the list is called Sauce Recipe, and as you can make out from this name, this application is all about different kind of sauces that you can prepare. Sauces related to pizza, sauces related to different kind of non-veg, sauces related to burgers, spaghetti, momos, mayonnaise, and the collection in this application is really huge. You can there is, I don't think there isn't any kind of sauce that is not available in this particular app. So anyone who is interested in cooking, you can probably suggest this application to that person, maybe to your mom or your sister. So this was all about the top 5 Android apps for May 2020. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know about what you think in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.